until 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Decatur, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Dunwoody, East Point, Duluth, Lilburn, Chamblee, Norcross, Jorville, Clarkston, Berkeley Lake, North Atlanta, North Druid Hills, North Decatur, Tucker and Drew Hills. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban